Hello, just like to share with you a 1934 Beretta issued to the Italian Army during World War II. You can read any of that, but this one was issued in 1940. It is .380 caliber, which is actually a short 9mm. You can see that it's starting to get a nice plum finish here on the upper part here of the receiver, or the slide. And anyway, it works kind of like this. This is a, by the way, a police issue. You can see the right there, the markings that indicates police. It has a 7-round magazine, and it's nice and tight still. Goes back. You can see. This has a hold open. After the last round is fired, the magazine holds the slide back. So in order to get it forward again, you have to release the slide by removing the magazine. And there you are, like so. And there you have it. Nice little gun. Okay, that should do it. There you go. That's what they look like. Just back in like so. And the dog is barking. So here you go. Thanks for watching, and I hope that ended any curiosity you might have. That's the safety. Thanks.